guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you like a quick review about this product right here. And if you've been watching my channel, I have used this like since day one. I really love this color corrector. So yeah, I'm going to show you. There are plenty of reviews out there, but I'm going to show you how I apply it on my skin and my thoughts about this. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, this consistency of this corrector is like pretty thin and the color is pretty an opaque orange. So now let's put it to the face. Alright, so basically this corrector has a very thin consistency and it's pretty pigmented. You can see how orange it is looking under my eye. And like basically to get the product out you need to squeeze it. That's the only I feel is the only drawback. I mean, it's because it's that same brush, you're not getting to clean it, plus you can't get all of the product out from that tube when you come to the end of it. But regardless, it's a fabulous corrector. No complaints in the formula. Glides effortlessly and it's so pigmented. It's perfect for my Indian skin tone. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend all of that in with a damp beauty blender, and you can see, guys, you can see it how smoothly it's blending. Like, I'm not even putting a lot of pressure or any effort, and it's just blending. Just make sure that when you blend this concealer or this corrector, don't blend too much, because if you continuously blend this product, there's no point of putting the corrector. Then you just blend all of it away. So you need some of the corrector, like just lightly blend all of it in. And you can see it's like completely neutral, completely like cancelled out all of my discoloration and blue, basically all the blue colors on my face, which is amazing. And yeah, now I'll just do like a whole full face of makeup, and I will show you all the end result. So yeah, bye. And this is the full makeup. As you can see, like my makeup looks pretty flawless, and yeah, there's no gray patches or anything. That's because of this color corrector right here. So yeah, basically when I don't put this, there's a lot of grayness that you can see. That's because of my pigmentation that's on my skin. So yeah, I definitely love this product. It's always going to be in my makeup bag. It's never getting out from there. So yeah, I definitely would totally recommend this, and I would definitely tell you that this is for Indian skin. Like, I mean, I have tried a lot of orange colors out there, but nothing compares to this. So yeah, I would say go get yourself this LA Pro Conceal Concealer. Yeah. So yeah, if you like this video and if you like this product review, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.